Road breakdown, real footage, objective analysis. Let's get into it.
Oh, fuck.
You okay?
Oh my god, a semi just tipped right beside me. Oh my god, I gotta go. I gotta call 911.
Chronic inattention behind the wheel consistently leads to critical errors. This raises a policy question: should drivers with repeated attention-related violations face license restrictions or revocation?
Fucking...
I know, but what the fuck? Seriously?
Yes.
Jeez.
This case demonstrates how an attempt to avoid a direct collision can trigger a secondary accident. When overtaking or passing, always account for the relative speed of the vehicle ahead and maintain a safe gap to complete the maneuver without cutting in.
On the right side now?
No, there's a guy with an Airstream coming this way.
Holy fucking shit. Oh my fucking god.
How would you assess the driver's decision-making process in this situation? What factors might have influenced their actions?
Eiffel Tower situation. Oh yeah, it splits between left and right channel. Yeah, it's like binaural. Yeah, and it's really bad for whatever reason people will say. Between two sides, they tolerate it.
careful? No, we're standing here. What are you doing? Well, that's not gonna cut.
Precise and deliberate lane changes significantly reduce collision risk. Proper mirror checks, blind spot monitoring, and distance management are essential.
Do.
Walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who said it.
Сомневался. В общем, за 15 сейчас можно купить только однушку. Фигушку, блин, какая однушка? Почему? Почему? Ты слышал, сколько у меня людей? Куда мне их распихивать в однушку? Ну, вы можете там не жить, можете ее купить, а потом перепродать. Да, в том-то и дело, что мне негде жить. Ладно, подожди, стой. Я уже тесте нафиг послал. Мне к нему возвращаться не вариант. Никак. Нет.
If your following gap is reduced, closely monitor the vehicle ahead and use smooth, progressive braking only to prevent a chain reaction crash.
Holy shit! Holy fuck! Holy fucking shit! Oh my god! What the fuck? Holy shit!
How would you assess the pickup driver's actions? Was this maneuver deliberate or the result of an unintentional error? If this breakdown just saved your life, even in theory, smash that like button and subscribe. New crashes, new lessons, every week. This is Road Breakdown. See you on the road.